Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be a different video. So today I am going to give you some product recommendations. So these products are all available on Nykaa. So as you guys must be knowing, Nykaa is having its Hot Pink sale. So this is supposed to be the biggest sale of the year in the makeup industry. So Nykaa has all of these products and all of these products are on good discounts. Like some have 30%, some have 40%, and some have up to 50% discounts. So different offers are there. You can check on the Nykaa app. And these are the products that I have not purchased from Nykaa, but they are available on Nykaa. Some I have purchased from Nykaa and loved using them. So those I will be sharing them with you. So yeah, without wasting much time, first subscribe to my channel, then let's get started. So first I'll suggest a skincare product to you that I have been using since years now. So this is the Plum's Green Tea Alcohol Free Toner. So that's how it looks like. So this product is available on Nykaa and on good discount. Like the MRP of this one is $390, but it has some 20-30% off. So this one is a very good toner if like you don't prefer alcohol toners. So this one is alcohol free. So you can definitely try out. This is paraben free, sulfate free and all, cruelty free. So good brand and good product. Then all other products from Plum are also on discount. You can try them out. So they have face washes, then moisturizers, creams, gels and all. So other products that we have, like start with makeup. So we'll go base wise. So for foundation, I have this Maybelline Fit Me. So you must be knowing from starting of my channel I'm using this and I love this foundation, the formula, the finish, the coverage and all. So this one is in 128 warm nude. I use this shade, but there are a lot of shades available. So this one is also on discount. So you can definitely try out this one. This is MRP is $299, but you will get it around $250 on the sale. So next let's move on to concealer, because you guys know my favorite concealer. Always I have used this is the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer. This one is a very good concealer. Like many of the YouTubers have talked about it and they love it very much. So I am in shade number 03 Light Moen, and that's how the shade looks like. It blends very beautifully into the skin, so you can definitely try out. It's a gem under a budget. So the next product we have is one more foundation. So this is the Lakme 925 Weightless Mousse Foundation. So this is the mini size. I have recently purchased this. I purchased from Amazon, but it's available on Nykaa as well. And the full size also available, so you can check out the full size because it has great discounts on the full size one. So this one is a very good like foundation. It has perfect like cream finish and does not dry out the face, and also it's a good one. This is also highly recommended. I have a lot of recommendations because I want you guys to grab the deals and all, because currently I don't want any new product makeup, but because I have a lot, but if I wanted to then I would definitely go for this sale. So the next one I can say is compact, because compact is very important in the summer season. It prevents you from sweating. So this is the one. This is a Maybelline Fit Me compact. This is a newer version of the Maybelline Fit Me. This one I purchased last year from Amazon. So this one MRP is $199. I am in the shade light beige. So this one is a very good coverage and very good affordable compact. So this is also available on discount, so you can check it out. So I'll see this for everything because everything is on discount. I have researched everything and then I have told you. So I have a full list on my phone. I'll show you. I have put everything on the wish list so that I can like tell you the product recommendations so you can see. So as I showed you already, like one more product that I don't have with me currently, it's the Maybelline Creamy Matte lipstick. So I have showed you the Nude Nuance shade. That's a very pretty shade that suits all Indian skin tones very well. So that is also available for $194. Its MRP is $299. Then you can try out the Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick. So this one I have in the shade 80 Ruler. So this is also very pretty mauve shade, suitable for all the skin tones. This one also is on great discount. The MRP is 650 but it's available for 325. So this formula is a must. You can see the quantity also. I'll show you the shade for better reference, as I have done already reviewed on my channel. This one is a very pretty, the smell is also good, the formula is awesome. So that's the shade 80 ruler. I'm saying fast because I have a lot of products and I don't want to bore you guys. I am just showing you the products. You can do research on the product, like review and all, you can see on my channel. Mostly all of them I have reviewed, I have used over the years, so that's why I'm sharing it with you. So the next products are these liquid lipsticks. So these are by Insight Cosmetics. So Insight is available on Nykaa. So two of the shades I have tried and reviewed also. So one shade is Coffee Command, a nude shade. I have shared it in my lipstick favorites as well. It's a brown nude shade, and the other shade is a proper red shade. So this shade is an angel red. So this one also looks very good on my skin tone. So that's the shade. These are super affordable, like they are MRP 75 rupees, so you can definitely give this a try. Then one more lipstick recommendation is this Lakme 925 Forever Matte Liquid Lipstick. So this is in the shade 01 Red Carpet. So that's the shade. So this also looks very pretty for all party functions and all. So this also MRP is 295. One more lipstick recommendation is this Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha Catsuit Liquid Lipstick. So this is in the shade Give Me Mocha. So this one MRP is 499 but it's available at discount at around 300, and this is a very good liquid lipstick. The shade is very pretty. So this is kind of an everyday nude shade, as you can see. So this also will suit Indian skin tones, and best part is a discount, so definitely grab it. Then for mascara I have one option. So this is my recent purchase. So this one MRP is 399. This is the Faces Magnetized Dramatic Volume Mascara. So this is a red classic Faces mascara. So this also I have recently loved using. So this is also on discount. Faces also has discounts. Mostly brands are having that kind of discount, that when you purchase up to a certain limit, then you get something free and all. And on individual products also you're having great discounts, like 40%, 30%. So double discount you're getting. You get free pouches and free stuff. I have not used high-end brands, so I'll not recommend you high-end brands or show you any high-end brands because I don't have. But if you are interested, those brands are also available, so you can check. So mostly Nykaa has all makeup brands as such, from affordable as well as high-end. So one more affordable brand is Blue Heaven. Blue Heaven is also available on Nykaa. So Blue Heaven Cosmetics has recently launched some of the products, so I have tried them out. So you know I love this Blue Heaven 2x Intense Kajal. So this one is already it's super affordable, that is under 150. But then on discount, like you can see, it's available just under 100 or 90 also you can get it. So that's a great deal. Then one more product in that range is this eyebrow definer. So this one is also like a very pretty dark light gray shade, light or dark gray you can say, but suitable for Indian skin tone. So this one is also at 70-60 something. So this also you can try. So when you like reach a certain amount, then only you can order from Nykaa, like above 299 only you can order. So for 299 you can add 2-3 of these affordable products. Then one of my favorites is this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow. So this is a very pretty gray shade, and this one is also super affordable, under 199, and this is also very pigmented and easy to use. So this also you are getting at around 150. So that's the shade. One of my, you can say, obsession is this. So this is the Master Chrome Maybelline highlighter. So this is how it looks. I purchased it from the recommendations from YouTubers, and I must say it's a very good product. Like, it's super finely melt, and like you can say it's a dream come true product. So that's how it blends into the skin, as you can see. It suits Indian skin tones, and this one is also available on discounts. So this one MRP is 550, but it's available for 385. So definitely try out this one as well, because on discount it's a great product. If you get it, it will last forever, and pigmentation is also on point. Then I can say last few recommendations. Last one single recommendation is this Swiss Beauty Aloe Vera Makeup Fixer. So this is how it looks. It's a perfect makeup fixer. Like, I'll just show you. It sets the makeup as well as it gives a natural glow, like the glow that you're missing you'll get with this, and it smells really nice. So this one is priced at 250 or 300, but it's available on discount. Then last products are the eyeshadow palettes. So these are some mini eyeshadow palettes like that I love and have from a long time. So first is the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette range. So they have a lot of shades, like 8 shades they have. I have 2 of the shades. I have shade number 7 as well as shade number 1. So this is how they look like. So you can like easily travel with them. They are good, like pigmentation is good, the color scheme is good. I'll just show you 1 or 2 swatches. So as you can see, the swatches. So this one MRP is 250, but they are like available at 180, 170. So definitely try them out. Then other recommendations are this Nicka K eyeshadow palettes. So they just look similar to the Swiss Beauty ones, a lot similar, but these are more colorful shades, and like one shade is a plum shade, one is a colorful shade. So I have 2 shades in here. So one is Sugar Plum and one is Birthday Cake. So I love this shade. I've used it a lot and it's one of my favorite eyeshadows. The pigmentation on this is also very good. This is an international brand, so the price of this one is higher, like $5.99, but on discounts, like currently I saw it's available for 300. So definitely try out. So you can see the shade, how pretty it is. And this shade you must try. It's for like, the MRP is $5.99 as I told you. So if you're getting at half the price, then why not try out such a good product. I'm not promoting any brand, any website or anything. I'm just saying that this product I've used, it's good. You can definitely try out, because I know that we buy makeup after like a lot of research and after like recommendations. So that's why, because I have purchased all of these products on recommendations only and at discounts. So this is the last product that I would like to suggest. So this is the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. So this is the famous Rose in the Air. So this has a variety of shades. As you can see, I have reviewed this. I have done a look with this a lot of times, and I love this palette because it's all in one. This one also MRP is $4.99, but it's always available on discounts anyways. But still on this sale, it's available. It's available for 500. So definitely you can try it out. Yeah. So those were all my reviews and recommendations for the Nykaa Hot Pink sale. So definitely, if you want any product, you can try it out. If I find the link, I'll give them in the description box below. And yeah, that's all from the video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Take care.